Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your remote working with only few buttons working on your remote on Android TV. If you have Android TV and only few buttons work on your remote, for different remotes these may be different buttons, but in my case the power button works, the Google Assistant works, the back button and the volume buttons work. All the other ones are completely not functional. And to fix it, there's a chance that a service which shouldn't even be available on your TV was enabled, and it's called Device Info AIDL Service. If that's what may have been enabled by accident, you should use an external computer mouse. I know it may sound weird, but here I have a computer mouse, as you can see. Just plug it into a USB port either on your set-top box if you have a set-top box with Android TV, or if you have a TV with Android TV built in, it most probably also has a USB port. Just plug in your mouse to the USB port. After a moment, a cursor will appear. You can see it is there after a few seconds. Go to the settings, then in the settings you should find probably device preferences or anything else that will point you to accessibility. In accessibility, you'll find Device Info AIDL Service. Click on that, then disable it. Click on OK. Now, you'll see not only the back button works, but also the side buttons work, and everything else should be working. Now, I hope that this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.